Hey,
Hold your head up
my name
high.
Petey.
There's
What's
a
your
world
name?
outside passing by. Dear daughter, never lose yourself. Remember that you're
What?
like nobody else. Life throws you into the unknown, and you feel like you're out there all alone. Well, these are words that every girl should have a chance to hear. There will be love, there will be pain, there will be hope, there will be fear. And through it all, year after year, stand or fall, I will be right here for you. Dear daughter, don't worry about those stupid girls. If they try to bring you down, it's 'cause they're scared and insecure. And dear daughter, don't change for any man, even if he promises the stars and takes you by the hand. Life throws you into the unknown, and you feel